Hello and welcome to a new video. I'm in Luang Prabang now. I took the slow boat from Huaizhai, which took me about 2 days. And yeah, today I'm gonna visit the Kuang Si Waterfalls. So Kuang Si is a national park near Luang Prabang, and it's famous for its waterfalls, but they also have a bear rescue center here. So this is the first waterfall right behind me, and the water's looking so clear, so nice. I think I'm gonna take a swim right now. This shit is so fun. I think I'll never get tired of jumping off cliffs. This place is just ridiculous. It seems like there's so many waterfalls and one's more beautiful than the other. Yeah, I think I really gotta show you some drone clips. So that was the Kuang Si Falls, definitely some of the most beautiful waterfalls I've seen. And now we're gonna go back to the city, Luang Prabang. Made it back to Luang Prabang, just checked out some more temples here around the city, and now I just walked up this local hill. There's a pretty nice view from here. Tomorrow I'm taking the bus to Vang Vieng, do the tubing there probably. So yeah, see you then.